Simon, son of Jonah, do you love me more than these? He said to him, Yes, Lord, you know that I love you.
Hey guys, good day. Happy Vlogtober day 2. So I just did a warm-up exercise. I didn't plan on doing anything too rigorous, hold on, because I've not worked out in 2 years and I was not about to start with a HIIT workout and hurt myself. So I just did a warm-up today, and then tomorrow I'll do a warm-up while I draw up my workout schedule for the week today as well. So yeah, how are you guys doing? Hey guys, so today's my aunt's birthday. I've been trying to call her since morning. My network had a whole issue yesterday where I could not reach anyone. Thanks, Chloe. So yeah, today's her birthday and I've been trying to call her, but I can't get her. Okay, so I wanted to brief you guys on my fitness journey because I'm about to start it. I'm usually used to wearing a necklace I can pull on to. Let me know if I'm not the only one who does that. But anyway, so at the beginning, sometime last month, I filmed a video about intermittent fasting, but the video didn't make it to YouTube because of some reasons. But I will put the clip of my before, like how my body currently is right now. Now, I don't hate my body or anything like that. This woman is not picking up. I don't hate my body or anything. Contrary, I love her. Like, she is fake, juicy, yummy, all that. However, I don't like the way I feel inside. Like, I don't like the way I've been feeling inside. And I know the contributing factors to that is what I eat and the fact that I don't move my body a lot. So that's all going to change, of course. And just because, like, I've been wanting to get back to working out for such a long time, but you know this thing where you have not worked out. I used to work out, like, back then when I used to do workout challenges. Like, I used to work out then when I was in Abuja, but since I came to Lagos, hello, and just I know I could feel so much better and I could be much healthier. My body could be at a much better place if I worked out. And it's just like, for me, I'm not working out to lose weight. Like, that is not, like, I don't plan to lose weight. Like, if I lose weight, okay, but she just sent me a message. Oh no, it's not her. Like, if I lose weight, okay, but that's not the plan. You know, I'm not working out to lose weight. I'm working out to have a healthier lifestyle. So yeah, so I feel like I should brief you guys on that. Just so you know, because I'm going to be taking you guys through the journey as well, if this system can just come on. So yeah, but let me English is hard though. But you guys, let me know how you guys are doing. I know today I've just been very chilled, honestly. After I was done watching service, I was on my bed watching season 3 of Blacklist. I'm at the part where there's another Raymond Redding thing, and he's claiming that red is not the real red. So that's where we are. I was like, okay. You don't get any crazy than that, that's for sure. So I was just doing that, and then, I was scrolling through Instagram and I was seeing my faves, getting their life together. I'm like, hold on. You're in bed watching Red while you could have been doing something. So I don't want to, give myself the excuse that it's because I've not worked out in 2 years. It's because, okay, let me tell you the reasons why I haven't been working out, or why I've been telling myself I haven't been working out. First of all, I don't have gym fits. Like, I need to get gym clothes, like workout clothes. That's 1. 2, I don't have a yoga mat. I need to get one. Or rather, I want to get one. The truth is I can work out without all these things I'm mentioning. But those were the reasons I was telling myself I wasn't going to work out. So if that makes sense. So this is me rising above my excuses for myself. So yeah. So I'm going to start working out and to me, I see like getting gym workout clothes, like new workout clothes. I have some, but they're just old. So like getting new workout clothes and getting myself a yoga mat is going to be like a reward for working out. That's how it's going to be my reward system, not my activation system, if that makes sense. So yeah. So I'm really happy to like bring you guys along with this. I'm about to do all my planning and scheduling now. I'm just waiting for my system to come up so that I can set up for that. So I'll catch you guys when it does. This is what I have going on here. So if you can see, there's the monthly summary there's the income summary. That's how much streams of income you have every month, and like like the source and where the amount you get on an average. Then there's the budget summary. So this contains all these other fields, should I say the fields. So this one here is the bill summary. So this would be like data, security, utility, stuff like that. That will be under bill summary. Then the expense summary will be things you spend, so miscellaneous, self-care, gifts and stuff. Then savings and interest, you just have that. And debt, if you have any like credit cards, student loans, you're servicing a loan, stuff like that. And then everything here just kind of stays here. So this is the, what's it called, the overall. Then these ones are like the charts for each of them, as well as this one. So when I put in figures, it should make sense, but this is just like what the monthly budget planner looks like. I don't know if you guys can see me. So I have so I'm currently using a template from, I can't remember her name, but I will leave the screenshot on this screen right now. Like the template I'm using, I'll leave it on the screen. That's what I use. That's what I like customize to get what I have here. So I'm just going to fill this up, and yeah, I just thought that I'm going to be planning. I mean, I did this before, but it was not sustainable because I didn't really have like a general idea. So when I saw this planner, it really helped me, know exactly what I'm supposed to plan and stuff like that. So that's why I adopted it, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because I feel like it's very helpful to somebody, because it helped me. I will leave the name of the YouTuber as well as the video where I got this planner from, so you guys can check it out. So I'm just going to like work on this, and I hope you guys were able to like get a general idea. Let me just work on this now, and I'll catch you guys later. I finally spoke to my aunt. We had a good conversation. I just wished her happy birthday. And then I was just doing some things for Adiah Beauty Bar, because after a while, I'm sorry if you can hear the fan. I decided to pick that business back up. The reason I dropped it was because I had this client. Oh, friend. Wow. Like, actually, I let her get to me. I'm not going to lie. I won't be talking about it, but like, so it just really dampened my spirit, and I started to channel my energy to other things. That's why Adiah Beauty Bar was on the burner, but you know, I'm at the place where I can pick it back up again, because makeup is something I really love, like 100%. And nothing gives me more satisfaction than seeing someone I do makeup for really like it and like hype themselves. Because if you know me personally, I'm a proper hype man. Like, so it just makes me feel like really nice to, you know, just be the person who gives them that kind of experience. So I'm picking that back up. So I'm taking bookings again, and yeah, I made a post on Adiah Beauty _bars Instagram, so you can go check it out. It's nothing serious. It's just like we're back online, like we're open again, we're back. Essentially, so I'll start posting and making content for she, her, it again. So yeah, that's just what I've been working on. Then I've also just been like setting out like my goals for the month. That's what I'm about to start doing now. It's actually really late. Time is like past 11, but I'm not sleepy because I did have like a nap during the day. But yeah, that's just what I've been up to. Honestly, I think like I should end this video here. It didn't go up today just because like I feel like I'm putting too much pressure on myself to film a video that same day and make it go up that same day. So what I'm going to do is that, okay, day 2 will go up on day 3, day 3 will go up on day 4, like that. So it'll give me like a bit of time to edit, because I'm even editing now because I'm at home, like it's the weekend. But like by the time I get back to work and all of that, I don't know if I'll have the time to record and edit like on the go. So yeah, I guess this is me signing out for tonight. Honestly, I just need to like stay off my phone for a bit and focus and chill. But yeah, good night, friends. Good night, queens. Love and light. I love you. God loves you. Peace, guys.